Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Pratibha Sonone from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal's Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. Today we are going to discuss about chemical nature of crude drugs, that is tannins. In previous videos we have already discussed about alkaloids, glycosides, terpenoids, terpenes and volatile oils. So today we will discuss about tannins. After watching this video, you will be able to understand what are tannins, their occurrence, distribution, properties, extraction methods and identification test for the tannins. First we will discuss what are tannins. It constitutes high molecular weight group of very complex chemicals of plant origin. It is difficult to define them precisely. In the past, the term was applied to chemicals which were used to combine with proteins of animal hide to prevent their putrefaction and to convert them into leather. However, the compounds with low molecular weight like gallic acid and cholinogenic acid, which satisfy other properties of tannins, which are not covered under this class. They are categorized by pseudotannins and they do not respond to the Gold-Bitter skin test. So, tannins can be broadly defined as an astringent bitter plant polyphenolic compound that binds to and precipitate proteins. That is, they are defined as the derivatives of polyhydroxybenzoic acid capable of combining proteins. Occurrence of tannins. Tannins are widely distributed in plants. Most families of dicot contains tannin-free species. The best known families of which all species tested contain tannins are Aceraceae, Actinidiaceae, Anacardiaceae, Bixaceae, Burseraceae, Combatraceae, Dipterocarpaceae, Ericaceae, Gracilariaceae, Myriaceae for dicot and Najadiaceae and Typhaceae in monocot. Distribution in plants. Tannins are present in different parts of plants such as bark, example is Arjuna bark, Ashoka bark. Fruits, example is Amla and Behda. Leaves, example is tea. Seed, example is coffee. And extract, example is pale catechu and black catechu. What are the properties of the tannins? Tannins, they are soluble in water, polar organic solvents and alkali solutions. When this tannin react with ferric chloride solution, gives bluish or greenish color as they are phenolic in nature. Tannins precipitate proteins and gelatin. Tannins are the form a complex with alkaloids and heavy metals. Different extraction method. There is no single method for extracting the tannins. The procedures used for tannins are widely different. The acetone is used as a solvent for the extraction of the tannins. Isolation and extraction of tannins. Depending upon the source of tannins, various modified methods are used for extraction. Methyl alcohol, hot water, acetone and ethyl acetate are the common solvents used for the extraction. The extract is filtered and dried under vacuum. Here, firstly, the raw material or powder drug is extracted with alcohol and ether. Then it is filtered and to that filtrate water is added. Then Shake vigorously. The aqueous solution takes most of the tannins. Evaporate the aqueous extract to dryness under vacuum. Here the crude tannins dissolves in alcohol. Shake alcoholic solution with ether, and the precipitate of pure tannins is obtained from ether solution. Different classification of the tannins. Tannins are classified into two classes according to their behavior on distillation. First class is true tannins and second class is pseudo tannins. True tannins are high molecular weight compounds, whereas pseudo tannins are low molecular weight compounds. Example: gallic acid, flavin 3 and 4-diol. Here, the true tannins are again classified into two classes: hydrolyzable tannin, second is condensed tannins. Hydrolyzable tannins, as the name indicates, these tannins are hydrolyzed by acids or enzymes quickly, and the products of hydrolysis are gallic acid or ellagic acid. On dry distillation, gallic acid and other compounds get converted to pyrogalol. They respond to ferric chloride solution, producing blue color. The example of hydrolyzable tannins are gallotannin in nut gall, rhubarb and clove, elagitannin from oak, myrobalance and pomegranate bark. Second class is condensed tannins. These are the true tannins which on acid or enzyme treatment get decomposed into red insoluble compounds known as flobafans. Hydrolyzable tannins gives gallic acid or ellagic acid, whereas condensed tannin gives flobafans on reaction with acid or enzymes. On dry distillation, the condensed tannins yield catechol tannin. Condensed tannin with ferric chloride solution produce brownish green color. Example of this type of tannins is quinotannic acid, catechutannic acid, that is Gambier and catechu, and cincotannic acid, that is, which is present in cinchona. Next, what is the difference between these two tannins, hydrolyzable tannins and condensed tannins? We have already discussed it, but again we have a little bit look at the hydrolyzable tannins and condensed tannins. Hydrolyzable tannins, they are hydrolyzable by acid or enzymes, whereas condensed tannins, they are more resistant to hydrolysis. Hydrolyzable tannins chemically are esters of phenolic acid, whereas condensed tannins, they are related to flavonoid pigments. Hydrolyzable tannin on treatment with acids or enzymes produced gallic acid or ellagic acid, whereas condensed tannins on treatment with acids or enzymes decompose into insoluble red compound known as flobafans. On dry distillation, they are converted into pyrogalols, or on dry distillation they produce catechol. On dry distillation, hydrolyzable tannins are converted into pyrogalols, and on dry distillation, condensed tannin produce catechol. Hydrolyzable tannins with iron salts produce blue color, and condensed tannins with iron salts produce green color. Example of hydrolyzable tannins is clo-myrobalan, and condensed tannin example is black catechu and acacia bark. Identification test for the tannins. There are various different identification tests for the tannins. First one is a gold bitter skin test. Here a piece of gold beetle skin, which is a part of intestine of the ox. When treated with 2% hydrochloric acid and washed with distilled water. This piece is then placed in the solution of tannin for 5 minutes. Then it is washed with distilled water and transferred to 1% ferrous sulfate solution. A change in color of gold beetle skin to brown or black indicates the presence of tannins. Second test, with 1% gelatin solution and 10% sodium chloride solution, tannins precipitates the gelatin. Third test, phenazone test. Take 5 ml of aqueous solution of tannins. To it add 0.5 gram of sodium acid phosphate. Warm the solution, cool and filter. Add 2% phenazone solution, which gives a bulky colored precipitate. Fourth test, catechin test. Here, dip the matchstick in an extract of drug and moisten with concentrated hydrochloric solution. Warm over a flame. Catechin present in the presence of acid produces fluoroglycinol, which stain the lignified wood pink or red color. Next test is with ferric chloride solution. Hydrolyzable tannins gives blue-black color and condensed tannins gives brownish green color. Fourth test is matchstick test. Here dip the matchstick in an extract of drug and moisten with concentrated hydrochloric solution and warm over a flame. Matchstick turns pinkish purple. Sixth test, vanillin hydrochloride test. Tannins gives pink color with vanillin hydrochloric acid solution. Therapeutic effects and pharmaceutical applications of the tannins. Tannins are used as antioxidants, antidiarrheal, antidote for heavy metals poisoning, treatment of burns, ulcers, inflammations, astringent to stop bleeding, hemorrhage, treatment of hemorrhoids, and used in tannin industries. I hope all of you have understood what are tannins, what is the classification of tannin, and what are the uses, identification, taste of the tannin. Thank you.